Hello and welcome to Top of the Plots at HQ. Thanks to everyone that's subscribed and given me all your words of encouragement. Thank you very much. It's been really nice. Cheers. Today's video is about digging up these potatoes and see if I got anything in them. A bit of an experiment. I actually put the compost heap in the tunnel over winter to raise the temperature. It did work. I've put some potatoes on the top. Now I want to take them out and I want to use this space. So let's see if we got anything
or nothing.
yeah, let's see what's under there.
Okay.
See if we can have a dinner, or are we going down to Asda?
The supermarket, shall we say, is it?
Supermarket, Lidl.
Yeah. Aldi.
Yeah.
Because they're our local ones.
Oh.
What do we got? What do we got? Some close-ups. What do we got? Oh, baby spuddies.
Right.
Okay.
And these are Lucky Dip potatoes from the supermarket. The ones that sprouted. So I'm giving them a go.
Let's see them. See what else we got. Will we be having new potatoes for dinner tonight?
Our first earlies.
first Lucky Dips.
Ah.
Oh well. We're back to, you know, better something than nothing. And in the end, it's just an experiment. Will they be below the green plants part as well? Will you have to dig down as well?
We're going to have a shift. Well, I'm going to dig all this out anyway.
Right, okay.
So
No, I just wondered, is that all the potatoes you're going to have? Or
no.
Oh, there should be more underneath.
We'll have a play around. Let's get rid of the greens first, yeah?
Right, okay, gotcha.
Up.
Oh, pull up. Okay. Oh, some nice looking potatoes. Not expecting to have a £52 bag, but...
No, well, these are freebies, these are really.
Well, yeah, because the chickens would have had the ones that had gone over from the supermarket, wouldn't they? Normally.
Yeah.
Usually cook them up for the chickens, boil them up, some corn, and they have a bit of a dinner, but I thought you'd try them. Hey, nice.
Yeah.
Hey. Well done, supermarket potato, whatever type of potato you were. We didn't take note of that.
No.
I think there was a mixture anyway, wasn't there?
Yeah, once we get all the greens out, I'll put the fork in it. Fork it through.
Yeah.
Then we'll get the shovel in it then.
Let's see what else we've got. I'll take them in the house then and weigh them and see what we got in poundage or kilos. What
Off
the
the
people work
freebies.
in. I work in both, really, depending on how I feel.
Yeah.
And we've got a very, very odd weather day here today. It's the first week of May. I'm not quite sure. What's the date today?
I should know.
4th of May?
Yes.
4th of May, that's right, because it's our anniversary on Friday.
I know it's Tuesday, innit?
It's Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday.
Yeah, it's Tuesday. So at the moment, that's as far as I've gone.
It's Tuesday.
And I got a day off.
Then you got a day off. Yeah, we've had hail, sunshine, rain. It's raining again now.
Yeah, winds.
We've had high winds. Oh, high winds yesterday and overnight. Oh, here we go, chucking it down now.
It's played out with the plants outside.
Yeah, it has. It has. And it's knocked all the blossom off the trees, isn't it?
What's the
Yes, I know the tomatoes there. Okay. Oh my, give me a hand. Wow. Back to the studies. What have we got, Mr. H?
I think we're going to have to put it in there anyway.
Oh well, I'll be happy with that. There's a baby one there. And you got plenty for the compost heap.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going away.
You can't lose any, boy. A couple of onions at the back there, looks like. Oh, there's a big worm there, save him. I like worms.
Yeah, he'll be alright.
Don't you mind, don't you put the shovel through him?
I'm not putting the shovel through it. We need all the worms.
Oh, I know what, by accident I mean.
Garlic.
It's garlic. Garlic.
Smell.
No, I know what garlic smells like, don't you? Oh, wait. All you can hear is this. And it is hail. Really, really heavy hail. Wow. Lots of boogies in there.
Yeah. Oh, look at them there.
Oh, lush. Oh, there's loads there. The little ones. Hey, look. Pretty ones. I like the tuddy ones.
Yeah, chuck them in.
They're going to fall through the basket, they're so small though.
First potatoes of the year. Not bad.
Not bad for a testy crop, isn't it really? I wasn't expecting anything. Oh, there's the donor. Donor spud.
Yeah.
Ready? Hey, it's not a bad little fall at all for a
For an experiment.
not a proper plant.
I'll do this again, definitely.
Look, there's more in there.
Yeah, I can stretch my back a minute. Oh.
Okay, come on, old man.
We can't all be as young as you, can we?
Oh no, this is it. You're younger than me, you're my toy boy. Can you believe that? He's my toy boy.
What?
He's 2 years old. Oh, look! Lovely spuddies. Ooh, ants.
Yeah,
They're going to be in there, aren't they?
Oh, you can go there, won't you?
I'll put them over there safe.
They're warm. They're not bad, they, eh? Look at them.
Bad at all.
We've got a couple of dinners up these now.
I think so. Yeah, nice for a tart. It'd be nice if you could use that garlic.
There we are.
There's the donor spuddy. Where is he? There he is.
Yeah.
Donor spud. In the compost. Oh, the granny greys are going.
I know. That's another thing I need to get this out for.
Yeah, the granny greys are good for the soil apparently. I read something about them.
They're good for breaking things down.
Breaking things down, yeah. And something about heavy metals in the soil. I could be wrong with that one. I like. No, you know me. They're a bit of Bon Scott.
AC/DC's.
Yes, I am an AC/DC fan. Oh, there's a couple under there too. Remember there, look.
Yeah, with that one now.
We should have a bag really. Some of the dirty ones are going to fall on the floor. Oh, look! Spud-delicious!
A bit green.
Yeah, that's right.
Chop that off.
Looks like you might have had a few more if you left them in, but I know you've got to shift it, so.
Yeah. They're starting to wilt a bit as well, like.
Yeah. Thank you, donor potato from whatever supermarket you came from. Hang on, let's have a look. Look, the sun is out now. Look, crazy weather. Look at all those.
Yeah, see what else we got there.
The other dirty ones are my favourites. Little sweets. So how many potato plants were in there?
I don't know.
We'll count them now when you've finished, and then we'll... Like I said, it's not going to be a massive haul, but it's still a dinner for nothing. Oh, a couple of dinners there. It's exciting, isn't it? And the other thing is your compost has done quite well in there.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
That's quite nice. You sieve out the lumpy bits and that.
Yeah.
And the plastic.
That's all right.
That's just fallen in there by mistake.
It's like the stuff we've been buying in, some of that.
Yeah. Some of the compost we bought recently have been bizarre. I'll have to film one of them. One of them in particular looks really odd to me, but there we go. One more plant to go in the corner there.
Yeah, then I've got to go on a hunt then, see if we've missed any.
Yeah.
We've got these there.
Baby ones. Well, I think you can be happy with those, Nige.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I thought you were going to dig this up and look, and there'd be absolutely bugger all in there. To be honest, excuse the French.
We're gonna have for a saucepan anyway.
I think we've got a couple of saucepans there, and I got big saucepans. So yeah, I think rain now falling on the back of the camera.
Yeah.
That condensation in here anyway.
Another one.
Hey. It's absolutely baking in here now. I am really, really warm.
Let's try the fork now.
Look, look. Lovely. Oh, one little baby one fell on the floor. Oh.
Let's put more there from there.
Yeah, you'll have to go baby potato hunting later.
Let's see what we can shake up with this now.
Go on then, go for it.
One already.
Here we are, go for it.
Another one.
How deep down do they go, potatoes? A couple of feet?
No, it depends how deep you put them. You put them down about, some people go a foot. I go about half arm, about 6.
6 inches down you put them, is that?
Yeah,
I've seen
earth them up, man.
a couple of dirty ones. Whee! Little nibbler potatoes.
Some people put them down about a foot.
Yeah.
In the beginning of the year because of the frost.
Ah, right, I see.
But I don't put them on deep. It's a personal thing. Some people, oh, look at them.
Hey, what's it got?
Some people put them on foot. Some people put them about 6 or 4 inches and earth them up, and
right.
as they grow.
Yeah.
I'm doing the grass cutting method now.
Right.
Put them in about 6 inches, and as they grow in, I'm putting my grass cuttings in around the potatoes,
right,
to keep the weeds down,
yeah,
keep the moisture in the soil,
yeah,
and keeps the frost off them as well.
Oh, cool. Back to spud finding. Oh, nice ones. Hiding they were.
And this is the compost.
No, a little competition, guys. I'm going to weigh these now when I go up the house, right? I'll show you them on the camera when he's finished digging them out, and then have a guess of what the weight is. And I'll put the weight right at the end of the video, right? So guess the weight.
Make sure I haven't put any bricks in it.
No, there won't be any bricks in that. I'll put them in a bowl on the weighing scales and guess what?
Oh, nice.
Oh, he's a nice little one. Go on, missed him. Show him. Show him. Lovely.
Oh, our
look
first
at those.
potatoes.
Happy with that, I think, and you?
I am.
I know I've said it once already, but I definitely wasn't expecting much at all.
That's right.
I said, oh, come on, I'll come down and film. But
You probably would have thought I went up a shop and bought them.
They're looking nice and clean too. Just give them a light wash and in the pan. Nice one. Don't get the baby ones.
Yeah.
They all add up in weight, you know. A gram here and half a gram there.
Yeah, and this will be all this now will be going in the garden.
Mine just all the paper bits. Broken down reasonably well. Oh, and that's a piece of glass there. How'd that get in there?
Oh.
Oh, good wash, Mr. Wormy. Oh, baby one. Hang on, baby one.
Yep. Yeah, I got one in there too.
And there's a baby one there.
Oh, it's cooking in here, isn't it?
Absolutely baking it is.
Oh.
Have we got a thermometer in here?
I got a soil thermometer done with that.
What's the soil thermometer saying there? 2 minutes.
Yeah. What's my Tom's now?
I'm not really hear your Tom's. Soil thermometer is saying warm.
Oh what? And we got flowers over there on our Tom's.
Yeah, flowers on Tom's.
And behind you.
Flowers on Tom's. So we're yeah, flowers on Tom's. Flowers on those, definitely.
Well, these
transplanted the corn on. Sorry about that noise, mate. Our neighbour's having some patio done.
These are the grow boxes that we had from
oh yes, the ones that you bought in Carmarthen Gardens.
Yeah.
Good tidy. Good job. Right, back to potatoes. Let's see if we can rescue any more tiddlers. Maybe coming to the end of it now, is there?
Not sure if I've seen one somewhere.
Tiddler, tiddler. You tiddler. Oh, tiddlers. I think you can. I know where that comes from.
That's probably in a cardboard. Oh.
Oh, attached to the cardboard you put in there.
I'll have to give myself a row for that.
You'll have to. Otherwise, that's why you use a sieve, don't you, to riddle out the rubbish at the end.
It's in the pocket though. We can go there.
Yeah. Oh, there's one.
Yep.
Yay!
It's actually easier to dig them out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually easier to dig them out than it is to put it on your hands and knees in the muck.
Mm.
So it's, in a way, it's a bit of a raised bed, like.
You'll have to hurry up, Nige, I'm absolutely steaming. And not in that way either.
We don't have any bathers, man.
Oh, good God, I'll fight my neighbours.
A new bikini.
Nige.
What?
Stop it. Yeah, I think we're at the end of... Oh, hang on, baby potato. Baby potato. They all count.
Oh, look at them.
Oh, am I? A couple of little ones down there, look, hiding.
Yeah, and the other thing, we're going to have that wire worm in them as well.
They're nice and clean, aren't they? I haven't seen one with a whole, a couple of got a little bit of green
Sometimes
on them.
you get like a scab on them or where the worm has been, especially at the end of the year where the worm has been trying to eat them, like.
Yeah, yeah.
I suppose they all got to live, but
well, everything needs to live on something.
Live on something else.
Well, yeah, I'm a live and let live person.
Not my spuds.
Oh, that really is a tiddler. That's about the size of a peanut. Oh, there's another little one. Oh, yeah, I think we're at the end now. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not.
Digging for gold.
Yeah. Wiggy's gold. Sorry, I call Nige Wiggy sometimes. Don't go there. That one there. Another one there. What a 21 there? Good to me. Oh, 21s. Oh, another one. As you're digging this out now, chances are when we finish, we'll you might find the odd one.
Well, I think
But
that's it,
we'll discount that one from the way in. Oh, 21.
Right there. As it's cooking in here now.
Absolutely baking.
And I can't leave the door open because of the bad weather.
Yeah.
I think we call that
a wrap, is it?
yeah, call that a day now.
Okay, so I'll pop up a kitchen now then, and I'll stick them on the weighing scales and to do a weigh-in.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. And speak to you soon. Hello again. We've come back up to the house now because it's so warm in the polytunnel and it's so windy today. I've had to keep the door shut. So we've come back up here now. We're ready to weigh the potatoes.
Here we go. As you can see, it's on a 0. Is that focusing on there? It's not bad, is it?
First potatoes of the year.
So what do you think is the weight, guys?
I'm so excited.
What do you think?
I tell you what would be a good, perhaps we shouldn't say now, we can let people guess and get back to us. What do you think the weight is, guys?
Oh, you can't keep them in
Come
suspenders,
on.
man. Do they gotta find out? Guess the weight of the spuds in the bowl. Just for fun, what do you think the weight of all the potatoes from the compost heap experiment will be? Not the garlic. Oh, that's right. Put the earth all over the table.
Why not, that?
Oh, of course. All those little 21s are going to add up. Come on, butterfingers. Oh, got that little one. Oh, a little stray one.
Want to go away?
Yep.
I think he's a nice, would be nice solid.
Oh yeah, lovely
Salad
for a
potato.
salad potato. Shame the lettuce isn't ready, isn't it? Is this
Might-
it?
might
There's
you
two
just-
21s to go.
Might you just scrape some,
Two 21s. And that's it. So,
that's it.
oh, is it 21 there? I mean, it is a really 21.
He's on the top.
Right, so that is the potato harvest. What is the weight?
From the compost heap.
Go and have a look. Wow! I hope this is focusing. I don't think it is, but I'll try. I might have to cut off and refocus. 7.28 pounds.
Oh,
Really? I'll refocus on that weight now and I'll pop back on. I hope you can see that, guys. I just had to refocus just in case it was out of focus because my eyes aren't that grand. Wow, 7.28 pounds. 7.25. Wow, well done, Nige.
thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all your words of encouragement. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let me know how I'm doing. Good or bad, I can take it on the shoulders. It's not a problem. Thank you. Ta-da!